Upbeat music plays. Cut to the two cameras on a table. The Canon EOS R10 on the left, and the Canon EOS R100 on the right. Hey everyone! Welcome back to Buy Smart. Today we're diving into the world of mirrorless cameras. And boy, do we have a showdown for you. It's the Canon EOS R10 versus the Canon EOS R100. It's like watching two heavyweight champions go toe-to-toe, except instead of punches, they're throwing pixels. Now, if you're wondering which one to buy, you're in the right place. We'll be breaking down the features, the specs, and maybe even cracking a few jokes along the way. So grab your popcorn because this is going to be a wild ride. Let's kick things off with the price. The EOS R10 comes in at a cool $1,099. That's a nice chunk of change. You could buy a fancy dinner for $2 or a slightly less fancy dinner for $4. On the other hand, the R100 is a steal at just $599. That's like 2 fancy dinners for $2, or just one dinner if you're dating someone who loves steak. Reviewers highlight that the R100 offers excellent value for beginners, while the R10 is praised for its premium features but does come with a higher price tag. So if you're on a budget, the R100 might be the way to go. But hey, if you're feeling fancy, the R10 has got your back. Next up, let's talk about image quality. The R10 boasts a 24.2 megapixels APS-C sensor with a DIGIC image processor, meaning your photos will look sharper than your ex's excuses for why they ghosted you. Meanwhile, the R100 has a 24.1 megapixels APS-C sensor with a DIGIC processor. Both cameras are almost identical in this regard, but reviewers of the R10, especially those into automotive photography and wildlife, rave about its superior image quality. In contrast, users of the R100 appreciate its ability to produce great family photos, making it a fantastic choice for casual shooters. So whether you want to capture breathtaking landscapes or family moments, both cameras are solid options. Now, let's zoom in on autofocus. The R10 features smart and speedy autofocus technology, keeping your subjects in crystal clear focus. It's like having your own personal assistant who never misses a detail. Reviewers highlight its impressive autofocus capabilities, making it ideal for action shots. The R100, however, has dual-pixel CMOS AF that covers 143 zones with auto-subject detection. Reviewers note that while the autofocus is decent, some have expressed frustration with its performance in challenging conditions. So while the R10 is like that overachieving friend, the R100 is your laid-back buddy who still manages to get by without studying too hard. Both are great in their own way. Speaking of action, let's talk about continuous shooting. The R10 can shoot at a blazing 15 frames per second. That's faster than a cheetah on roller skates. Reviewers love this feature for capturing fast-moving subjects, particularly in sports and wildlife photography. Meanwhile, the R100 can manage 6.5 frames per second. That's like your grandma trying to keep up with a TikTok dance challenge. It's cute, but you know she's not going to win any awards. Reviewers appreciate the R100's performance for casual use, making it perfect for family events, but not necessarily for high-speed action. So if you're into fast-paced photography, the R10 is your best bet. Finally, let's discuss size and weight. The R10 is compact and lightweight, perfect for those who want to take it on adventures. Reviewers mention its portability as a major plus, making it easy to carry around. The R100, however, is the smallest and lightest in the EOS R series. It's like the friend who fits into the smallest car and still manages to bring all the snacks. Reviewers appreciate the R100 for its lightweight design, especially for beginners who want something easy to handle. Who doesn't love snacks? Both cameras cater to those who value portability, but the R100 takes the cake for being the most travel-friendly. In summary, the Canon EOS R10 is highly praised for its advanced features and image quality, making it a favorite among enthusiasts and professionals. Meanwhile, the R100 is celebrated for its affordability and user-friendliness, ideal for beginners and casual photographers. Both cameras have their strengths, catering to different audiences and needs. So there you have it, folks. The Canon EOS R10 and the Canon EOS R100 are both fantastic options, depending on your needs and budget. If you want high-speed action and don't mind splurging, go for the R10. But if you're looking for a solid performer without breaking the bank, the R100 is your best bet. Which camera do you think wins this epic showdown? Let us know in the comments below. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more product comparisons that are more entertaining than your favorite sitcom. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, where we help you make smart buying decisions while having a laugh. Until next time, keep those cameras clicking and those pixels popping.